Hello friends, welcome in Learning Studio. I am D. Vivek. Friends, in Let's Learn English Part 2, we have learned modal auxiliary can. In this video, we are going to learn could and its different uses. So friends, let's learn could. Friends, could is the past form of can. Could is the past form of can. Now let's learn the uses of could. What's the first use? We use could to express past ability or capacity. We use could to express what? Past ability or capacity. Past ability or capacity. In Marathi, मी एखादी क्रिया करू शकलो. शकलो, शकला, शकली, शकले हे सांगण्यासाठी आपण could वापरतो. Now let's make one sentence. While using could, we take in the beginning subject, and we have practiced many subjects. First take subject, then use could, then take base form of the verb, and then remaining words. Let's take one example. As subject you can take any noun, pronoun. Ravi could swim yesterday. Ravi could swim yesterday. This is our sentence. See, this is subject. Here is a could. Could is helping verb, or we also call it modal auxiliary. Swim, this is the base form of the verb, and our sentence is ready. Ravi could swim yesterday. Ravi काल पोहू शकला. Ravi काल पोहू शकला. We can also make question. While making verbal question of could, we use could in the beginning. Could Ravi swim yesterday? Question mark. Could Ravi swim yesterday? See the change, notice the change. What is the change here? We have interchanged the places of subject and helping verb could. And our question is ready. Could Ravi swim yesterday? We can answer this question how? Yes, he could. Or no, he couldn't. Like that. This is an assertive sentence. This is interrogative sentence. It is called verbal question or yes/no question. Now let's make negative sentence also. How we can make negative sentence? Ravi could not swim yesterday. Ravi could not swim yesterday. Ravi काल पोहू शकला नाही. See here, Ravi subject. Here could, and after could we have written not. In this way, we have made this negative sentence. Here while writing could not, we write could and not separately. but while writing cannot, we write can and not together. Cannot is a single word. Now we are going to learn or practice more sentences which express past ability or capacity. Friends, these are 5 sentences. These sentences are based on the first use of could. Now let's translate them into English. What is the first sentence? ती मुलगी स्कूटी चालवू शकली नाही. This is negative sentence. First, we have to take subject. What is the subject here? ती मुलगी. In English, what do you say for ती मुलगी? त्या मुलीसाठी आपण काय म्हणतो इंग्लिश मध्ये? That girl. That girl. The sentence is negative. शकली नाही. Let's write could not. That girl could not. Now verb, base form of the verb. चालवण्याला शब्द दुचाकी चालवण्यासाठी शब्द आपण काय वापरतो? राईड. That girl could not ride. R-I-D-E. Ride a scooty. And see, here our sentence is ready. That girl could not ride a scooty. For practice, you can take other subjects also and do more sentences. Now next sentence is हा मुलगा शतक करू शकला का? This is question. So take could in the beginning. Could subject हा मुलगा. या मुलासाठी काय म्हणतो आपण इंग्लिश मध्ये? दिस बॉय. THIS. दिस बॉय. Could this boy. Now verb, make a century. Make is verb. Make a century. CENTURY question mark. Could this boy make a century? Now next sentence. पोलीस चोराला पकडू शकले. Assertive sentence. So the sentence begins with police. Police could catch a thief. Police could catch a thief. You know, police is plural word. Police is a plural word. It is the plural form of policeman, we say. Now next sentence is आम्ही त्याला अंधारात ओळखू शकलो नाही. Negative sentence. First write subject आम्ही. We. Negative is there, so could not. We could not. Now verb, ओळखण्याला शब्द काय आहे? वर्ब काय आहे ओळखण्याला? रेकग्नाइज. RECOGNIZE. We could not recognize. Now object त्याला him. We could not recognize him in darkness. अंधाराला काय म्हणतो आपण? darkness. We could not recognize him in darkness. Negative sentence is there, so not is added there. Now last sentence. तिचा भाऊ इंग्रजीत भाषण करू शकला का? This is question. So sentence begins with what? Could. करू शकला का असल्यामुळे वाक्याची सुरुवात कुडने होणार आहे. कुड तिचा भाऊ, नाव सब्जेक्ट. हर ब्रदर, कुड हर ब्रदर. भाषण करणे, कुड हर ब्रदर गिव अ स्पीच इन इंग्लिश. Could her brother give a speech in English and question mark. This is a question, so there is question mark. So in this way, friends, you can take different subjects, then take could, then take other verbs. It means what is necessary to make such type of sentences? Subjects. We have practiced many subjects. Then take could, and then base form of the verb. We have all these things to make sentences. We have subjects, different subjects. You have practiced that. Then take could and then base form of the verb and make more sentences. Friends, second use of could is to make a polite request. To make a polite request, we use could. Here are some sentences. Let's change them into English. What is the first sentence? कृपया खिडकी उघड. Now we have to make a request using could. See how we make sentence. Could you please open the window? Could you please open the window? See, our request begins with could. Could you please open the window? In Marathi it means कृपया खिडकी उघड. There are different methods to make requests, and one of them is using could. कृपया तुमचा पेन मला उसना द्या. Here again our request begins with could. Could you please lend me your pen? Could you please lend me your pen? Here our request is ready. Now next sentence. कृपया मला हा टेबल उचलण्यास मदत कर. With could. Could you please help me to lift this table? Could you please help me to lift this table? Next request is कृपया मला सुट्टे पैसे द्या. Again our sentence or request begins with could. Could you please give me change? Could you please give me change? And last sentence, कृपया लाईट चालू करा. Request, could you please switch on the lights. Could you please switch on the lights? So this way we use could to make a polite request. Friends, third use of could is to take permission. We can use could to take permission. You know, there are different methods to take permission. For example, we use may, we also use can. Now we are going to learn how we can use could to take permission. Here I have written some sentences, and now we are going to change these sentences using could. For example, first sentence is मी या खुर्चीत बसू का. आपल्याला परवानगी घ्यायची आहे. Our permission begins with could. Sentence begins with could. Could I sit in this chair? Could I sit in this chair? See, in this way we can take permission. मी माझी कार येथे उभी करू का? Could I park my car here? Could I park my car here? Third sentence, मी तुमच्या सोबत येऊ का? Could I come with you? Could I come with you? मी थोडी विश्रांती घेऊ का? Could I take some rest? Could I take some rest? मी खिडकी बंद करू का? Could I close the window? So in this way, by using could, we can take permission. Next use of could is to express present possibility. We use could to express present possibility. Present possibility means what? वर्तमान काळातील संभाव्यता व्यक्त करण्यासाठी आपण could वापरतो. Here are some examples. Now let's use could in these sentences. What's the first sentence? रवी अनुपस्थित आहे. तो आजारी असावा. There is a possibility. There is no certainty. There is just possibility. Now the sentence will be Ravi is absent. Ravi is absent. तो आजारी असावा. He could be ill. He could be ill. Ravi is upset. He could be ill. There is present possibility. वर्तमान काळातील संभाव्यता आहे. तो 90 वर्षाचा असावा. He could be 90. He could be 90, or you may say he could be 90 years old. He could be 90 years old. Next sentence is ते चोर असावेत. What will be the sentence? They could be thieves. thieves. They could be thieves. See, all these are present possibilities. वर्तमान काळातील संभाव्यता. तो भुकेलेला असावा. He could be hungry. He could be hungry. And last sentence, तो माणूस त्या कारचा मालक असावा. That man could be owner of that car. That man could be owner of that car. So in this way we use could to express present possibility, and this is the fourth use of could. Friends, when we use could plus have plus V3 means past participle of main verb. When we use could plus have plus past participle form of the verb, this combination means what? Something was possible in the past but it did not happen. म्हणजे एखादी क्रिया भूतकाळामध्ये शक्य होती पण ती घडलेली नसते. जेव्हा अशा प्रकारची घटना आपल्याला सांगायची आहे, जी क्रिया भूतकाळामध्ये शक्य होती करणे परंतु ती घडलेली नसते, अशा प्रकारची क्रिया जेव्हा आपल्याला सांगायची असते तेव्हा आपण could प्लस have प्लस V3 अशा प्रकारचं कॉम्बिनेशन वापरतो. Something was possible in the past. Something was possible in the past but it did not happen. भूतकाळात एखादी गोष्ट शक्य होती पण ती घडलेली नसते. I have taken some examples here. Let's practice them. तो रक्तदान करू शकला असता. तो रक्तदान करू शकला असता पण केले का त्याने? नाही. Then what will be the sentence? First take subject he. Then take could. He could have past participle. He could have donated. DONATED. He could have donated blood. He could have donated blood. Did he donate blood? No. This incident didn't occur. He could have donated blood, but he didn't donate. ती तुझे आभार मानू शकली असती. मानले का? नाही. In English, she could have thanked you. She could have thanked you. Did she thank? No, she didn't thank. This incident didn't occur. Next, तू त्याच्याकडून पैसे उसने घेऊ शकला असतास. घेतले का? नाही. You could have, उसने घेण्याचा शब्द borrowed. You could have borrowed money from him. You could have borrowed money from him, but you did not borrow. पोलीस जर वेळेवर आले असते तर ते चोरांना पकडू शकले असते. Neither police came on time nor they caught the thieves. म्हणजे पोलीस वेळेवर आले नाही आणि चोरांना पकडू शकले नाही. If police had arrived on time, if police had arrived on time, they could have caught the thieves. See, in this way we use could plus have plus V3, this combination, to express the thing which was possible in the past but it did not happen. So friends, these are some of the uses of could. To practice these uses, you have to watch this video again and again. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.